Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you. Tesla fell short of its production goal in the first quarter of 2018, reaching a rate of about 2,000 Model 3 cars built per week. It had previously stated its aim to have 2,500 Model 3s rolling off the line per week by the end of March. In documents filed Tuesday with the Securities and Exchange Commission, the automaker said it had built 2,020 Model 3 vehicles over the past week and plans to produce another 2,000 Model 3s, along with 2,000 Model S and Model X vehicles, over the next 7 days. For the Model 3, Tesla said it continues to target a production rate of about 5,000 units per week in about 3 months. Such a rate would put Tesla on track for a third quarter with a long-sought ideal combination of high volume, good gross margin, and strong positive operating cash flow, the company said. This also means it will not require an equity or debt increase this year, apart from standard credit lines. Tesla's finances with its large debt and relatively furious cash burn are among several obstacles it looks to overcome in its quest to become a mass producer of electric vehicles, with the Model 3 seen as its crucial product to reach that goal. Other, more recent setbacks, such as a downgrade of its credit rating by Moody's Investors Service, a recall of Model S cars, and a federal investigation into another fatal crash that involved its autopilot semi-autonomous driving system, had prompted a sell-off from investors and seemed to signal a bleak road ahead for the young automaker. Atop all that, Elon Musk's April Fool's Day prank tweet about bankruptcy seemed particularly tone-deaf. After the company's production announcement today, Tesla's stock rebounded about 6% in afternoon trading. Tesla goes bankrupt. Palo Alto, California, April 1, 2018. Despite intense efforts to raise money, including a last-ditch mass sale of Easter eggs, we are sad to report that Tesla has gone completely and totally bankrupt. So bankrupt, you can't believe it. Elon Musk, at Elon Musk, April 1, 2018. Overall, in the first quarter, Tesla posted a 40% increase in production to 34,493 vehicles, including 24,728 Model S and Model X vehicles and 9,766 Model 3 cars. We were able to double the weekly Model 3 production rate during the quarter by rapidly addressing production and supply chain bottlenecks, including several short factory shutdowns to upgrade equipment, the company said. Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you.